Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This video is about the exercise 4.4 from the quadratic equations. Let us start. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. So we have to find out the nature of the quadratic equation in the first main, and then if the real roots are existing, then we need to find out them. So before doing it, we should know about the how do we find the nature of the roots. So it is very simple. We will take the formula, that is quadratic equation formula, minus x is equal to minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now this part b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Which is mentioned by D, the capital letter D. This tells about the nature of the quadratic equation. How it is found? If it is b square minus 4ac, if this is greater than 0, that is positive real number, then we will have two distinct roots. Quadratic equation will definitely have two roots, and the roots will be distinct, means different roots. They are different roots. And if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, if it is equal to 0, then the roots are equal real roots. Of course, two equal real roots. And how do we find out the real roots in this if it is equal to 0? We have the formula x is equal to minus b by 2a and x is equal to minus b by 2a. So by substituting the value of a and b, we can find out the roots if the discriminant is equal to 0. Then third one, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there is no root at all. No root. If it is less than 0, then no root. So this is about the nature of the roots, and we will start with the first numerical. In this case, what all are given for us, that is a is equal to 2 and then b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 5. This is what we have from this quadratic equation. And we will take the discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. From this we will find out the nature. B is equal to minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 5. And if we simplify, minus 3 whole square is 9 minus, and these things, if you multiply these numbers, you get 40. That is equal to minus 31, and we know that it is less than 0. Therefore, root does not exist. Okay, this is about the first one. And we'll go for the second one. Second one is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4. If we compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the general quadratic equation, then we'll have a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to plus 4. And we'll find out the nature of it by discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square is minus 4 root 3 whole square. So b is minus 4 root 3. B square is minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 3 into 4. So that will be equal to, this is minus 4 root 3 into minus 4 root 3, right? Whole square means it will be equal to minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16 and root 3 into root 3 is into 3. So 16 3s are 48. So we'll substitute that 48 and this will also be equal to 48. So D is equal to 0. Therefore, what does it imply? we will have two equal real roots exist. Two equal real roots exist. And how do we find out the roots? That is, we have the formula for that. X is equal to minus b by 2a and x is equal to minus b by 2a. So it is x is equal to b is minus 4 root 3 minus of minus 4 root 3 divided by 2 into a is 3. And x is equal to minus of minus 4 root 3 by 2 into 3. Therefore, here x will be equal to minus into minus plus 4 root 3 divided by 2 into 3. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 3 one, root 3 ones are and root 3s are. So that is x is equal to 2 by root 3. This is one root. And the same thing can be written x is equal to 2 by root 3. So we got two equal roots. We'll go for the third one. Third one, if we compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the general quadratic equation, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. We'll substitute these things in the discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac and find out the nature of the roots that we will get. It is equal to minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. And we will have, this is 36 plus 36 minus 24. So that is equal to 12, which is greater than 0. So the discriminant is greater than 0 and we will have two distinct roots exist. Is it not? Two distinct roots exist. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So, x will be equal to b is minus 6, b is minus of minus 6 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. We have got that already. B square minus 4ac is nothing but 12. So, root 12 divided by 2 into a is 2. So, we'll simplify. This will be equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 4 3s are 12 divided by 4. And if we simplify still, x plus this 4, if it comes out, it will be 2 root 3 divided by 4. And the common factor in 6 and 2 is 2. So, we will get 3 plus or minus root 3 by 4. So, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. X is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 2 or x is equal to 3 minus root 3 by 2. So, these are the two distinct real roots of the quadratic equation, given quadratic equation. Okay. So, then we will go for the second main. Second main is find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. So, they have two equal roots means the discriminant is equal to 0, isn't it? Okay, we will do this. And since they have given that their roots are equal, we can take directly b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So, the discriminant is equal to 0. Now, if we compare these this quadratic equation to the general quadratic equation, then we have a is equal to 2, b is equal to k, c is equal to 3. So, b square, so that is k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 equal to 0. So, k square minus, if we multiply this, we will get this is 24 equal to 0. K square is equal to plus 24. K is equal to plus or minus square root of 24. Now K is equal to plus or minus square root of 4, 6 or 24. K is equal to 2 will come out of the square root, plus or minus 2 root 6. Therefore, the value of K is equal to plus 2 root 6 or K is equal to minus 2 root 6. Okay. Then we will have the next one. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. So it's also, we have equal roots and we need to find out the value of k. So we'll multiply kx with x minus 2, we'll get kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. And if you compare it with the general quadratic equation, we'll get a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. So we know that the roots are equal, so b square minus 4ac equal to 0 to find the value of k. And b is minus 2k. We'll substitute that minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a is k, c is 6 equal to 0. So minus 2k whole square is nothing but plus 4k square minus 6 4s are 24k equal to 0. And the common factor in these two terms is 4k. And left out in this case is k minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. So, we will rule out this. This is ruled out and k is, the value of k is equal to 6. So, the value of k is 6. So, this is the answer. We will go for the third main. They have given, is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. First of all, what we are supposed to do? We need to find out whether this rectangular mango groove is possible or not, with the condition what they have given with the length and the breadth. Okay, we will start. What we have to do is area of a rectangle is equal to area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, right? And now area they have given, area A is equal to 800 meters square, which is already given for us. And then let us take breadth as x meters. Okay, then what happens? Length is twice the breadth. So, length is equal to twice the breadth, 2x meters. Let us substitute these things in this equation. We will get 800 is equal to length is 2x and breadth is x. 800 is equal to 2x square. And if we simplify this, we will get 2 ones are 2, 400s. So, x square minus 400 equal to 0. If we compare this equation with the general quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 because the x coefficient of x term is not exist in this equation. Therefore, b is equal to 0. And how much is c? C is nothing but minus 400. So, this is what we got. And from this what we can do? We can find out, that is D, the discriminant, to check whether this is possible or not. That is, length is 2x and breadth is x. and area is 800. Possible or not with the discriminant. D is equal to B square minus 4AC. So from the nature of the root, we can say whether this is possible or not. So B is 0 minus 4 into A is 1 and C is minus 400. So D is equal to 800. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. Sorry. It is 1600. So D is 1600, which is greater than 0. Therefore, possible. This kind of rectangular mango groove is possible. And since it is greater than 0, it should have two distinct roots. Right? Let us find out the two distinct roots. How do we find out? We will apply this 800 is equal to 2x square. Sorry, we will take it as 400 is equal to x square. We will take this equation. We will take this equation and mention it as equation 1. X square minus 400 equal to 0. And then what we have? We are supposed to find out the value of x, is it not? So how do we do that? We can use the formula of quadratic equation, or we can directly use this and find out x. X square is equal to, we will shift this side, so it will become plus 400. X is nothing but plus or minus square root of 400. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 20 meters. Now, x is equal to minus 20 meters, ruled out. Breadth or side of the plane cannot be negative. So, this is ruled out. Therefore, x is equal to plus 20 meters. So, this is breadth. Then, what about the length? So, length is equal to they have given length is twice the breadth, right? So, length is equal to 2x. So, 2 into 20. So, 40 meters. So, length is 40 and breadth is 20 meters. So, these are the two values of the given rectangular mango groove. We will go for the next one, fourth main. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. So, what is the condition given for us? The situation given for us, the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So, this is what they have given for us. And is this possible? So, to find out the possibility, we need to find out the discrimination of the roots, right? With the help of discriminant. Let us consider the first condition what they have given for us. The first condition given is sum of the ages of two friends. Sum of the ages of two friends is equal to 20 years. Then let the present age of the first friend, let the present age of first friend be equal to x years. Then the present age of second friend is equal to 20 minus x. So, here they have the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 20 years. So, 4 years ago they have given, so ages is 20 years. Sum is 20 means first friend plus second friend's age is 20 years. And then second friend's age will be 20 minus the first friend's age. So, first friend is here x. So, 20 minus x. Right? And this is what we have, 20 minus x years. Now what the second condition, according to the second condition, they have given that 4 years ago, the product of their ages is in years was 48. So second condition is like this, product of their ages Their ages is equal to 48 years. Now product of their ages, x minus 4. Sorry. Second condition, not this. It is 4 years ago. Their ages. So first friend's age. First friends. It is x minus 4 years. Second friends. Second friend's age is 20 minus x minus 4 years. That is equal to 16 minus x years. Okay. Now the product of their ages. It is x minus 4 into 16 minus x equal to 48. According to the question, it is 48. Now, what we are supposed to do? X into, it is 16 minus 4, 16 minus x, then minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. That will be equal to 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x equal to 48. And what will get? Minus x square minus plus 16 plus 4, it is 20x minus 64 is equal to 48. We'll shift the whole thing to the right side or multiply the whole thing with minus so that we can get plus for this x square. So if we shift it, we get x square minus 20x plus 64 plus 48 equal to 0. This is x square, then minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. And now we have to find out what is the value of A, then B and C. A is 1, B is minus 20, C is equal to 112. This discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC to find out the nature. That is equal to minus 20 whole square minus 4. A is 1, C is 112. D is equal to B square minus 4AC. So that is minus 20 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 112. That will be equal to, this is 400 minus 448. So that is minus 48, which is less than 0. Therefore, this is not possible. And when it is not possible, then we cannot find out the ages of the friends which they have given in the numerical. We'll go for the fifth one. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and the area 400 meters? If so, find its length and breadth. Okay. What they have given? Perimeter of a rectangular park. Fine. It is perimeter of rectangular park is equal to 80 meters. Perimeter of a rectangle is nothing but 2 into length plus breadth, or 2L plus 2B. Whichever you people are using, you can. It can be 2L plus 2B is equal to 80, or 2 into L plus B is equal to 80. Anything is fine. Now, 2 ones are 80, right? So 2 ones are 2 40s. So L plus B is equal to 40. We got L plus B is equal to 40 meters. And what else? The second condition what they have given for us is area they have given. Area of the rectangular park is equal to, they have given 400 meters square. Is it not? 400 meters square. So area, that is A is equal to length into breadth. Area is 400 is equal to length into breadth. So we can take it as length into breadth itself, and when we can take 400 by length is equal to breadth. And substituting this value in this equation, in the place of B or breadth, we can write 400 by L is equal to 40 meters. Now, if we take the LCM, L is the LCM, we'll get L square plus 400 is equal to 40. Cross multiplying this, so L square plus 400 is equal to 40 L. So that is L square minus 40 L plus 400 equal to 0. And we have to find out D, the discriminant, B square minus 4AC. So this will be equal to B square, A is 1, B is minus 40 in this equation, quadratic equation. And C is 400. Substituting this here, we'll get B square is minus 40 square minus 4 into A is 1 and C is 400. So that is equal to 1600 minus, if you multiply these two, you get 1600. D is equal to 0. When discriminant is equal to 0, then we will have, yes, it is possible. The given condition is possible and it will have two equal real roots. Okay, we'll start that. So for if the roots are equal, then we have the formula x is equal to minus b by 2a and x is equal to minus b by 2a. So quadratic equation, it has two roots. Then b is how much? Minus 40. Substituting that minus of minus 40 by 2 into a is 1. X is equal to minus of minus 40 by 2 into 1. So x is equal to, it is 2 1s are 2, 2s are, so plus 20 meters. Length is plus 20 meters, x is equal to 20 meters. This is what we got. And what is x? So that is we have taken this as this L, right? X is L. So this is length is equal to 20 meters. Then what is the breadth? So breadth is how much? We need to find out breadth. L plus B is equal to, we have 40. We can choose either this equation or this equation and find L plus B is equal to 40 meters. L is 20 plus B is equal to 40. B is equal to 40 minus 20. So B is equal to 20 meters. Both length and breadth are same. So it will be like a square. It is a square. This is length and this is breadth. Thank you for watching.